Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. This is incredible. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold7 important specs leaked ahead of the official launch to offer a larger display and much more. According to the latest available data, Samsung's most anticipated foldable flagship, Galaxy Z Fold7, outperforms Oppo's newly launched Find N5 in early benchmark with the Snapdragon 8 Elite powerful chipset and many other new exciting details. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. An early benchmark leak has given the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold7 a performance advantage over the Oppo Find N5. Built around the 8-core version of the Snapdragon 8 Elite, unlike Oppo's latest foldable, the Galaxy Z Fold7 appears set to launch this summer running Android 16 operating system, with 12 GB of RAM too. Samsung is not expected to deliver a new batch of foldable smartphones for about another 3 months. To recap, the company is believed to have developed not just the Galaxy Z Flip 7 and Galaxy Z Fold 7, but also the Galaxy Z Flip Fan Edition and its first tri-fold called the Galaxy Z Fold. Although Samsung has not confirmed as much yet, what appears to be the Galaxy Z Fold 7 has now turned up on Geekbench. As a prior rumor suggested, Geekbench reveals that the Galaxy Z Fold 7, SMF966U, features the full 8-core version of the Snapdragon 8 Elite, unlike the Oppo Find N5. Added to that, clock speeds of 4.47 GHz on its 2 prime cores confirm that Samsung has chosen the 4 Galaxy variant of Qualcomm's latest flagship chipset. Based on an OpenCL score of 18,143, the Galaxy Z Fold7 outscores the Oppo Find N5 by about 2.6%. Conversely, a 27.9% gap exists between the Galaxy Z Fold7 and Galaxy Z Fold 6. The same listing also highlights the inclusion of 12 GB of RAM and the Android 16 operating system rather than Android 15. The latter would be a first for Galaxy Foldable 2. Previously, Samsung has launched its foldables with the same version of Android as their Galaxy S counterparts, which would be Android 15, going off the Galaxy S25 Ultra. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is anticipated to arrive with features borrowed from the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition, such as a larger set of displays, a less visible inner display crease, and a 200-megapixel primary camera sensor. In terms of display, the device will offer an 8-inch inner screen, along with a 6.5-inch cover display. When the device is unfolded, it is 4.5 mm thick and the dust and water resistance is expected to be improved. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is expected in July this year. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.